Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple TV 4K with HomePod, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Apple TV 4K with HomePod, begin by unboxing both devices. Connect the Apple TV 4K to your television using an HDMI cable. Plug in the power cord to your Apple TV and connect it to a power outlet. Turn on your television and select the HDMI input where your Apple TV is connected. You will see the Apple TV setup screen appear. Choose your preferred language from the list of options. Next, select Setup manually or Setup with device if you have an iPhone or iPad. If you choose Setup manually, connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it and entering the password. Once connected, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in process. Next, allow Apple TV to install any necessary software updates. Once updates are installed, you'll reach the main Apple TV interface. Now, locate your HomePod and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple TV. Make sure your HomePod is plugged in and powered on. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new accessory. Select your HomePod from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to complete the setup for your HomePod. Once your HomePod is ready, return to your Apple TV. Go to Settings from the main menu. Scroll down and select Audio and Video. Under Audio Output, set your HomePod as the default speaker. Now you've successfully set up your Apple TV 4K with HomePod. You can start using voice commands through HomePod to control your Apple TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies with enhanced audio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.